Hello. Have you heard the word requirements? Quite a lot of times, yes. But today we will discuss what does it mean in the business world. Requirements are features or characteristics that are requested by the stakeholder. Requirements are important because they determine what a solution should provide and how well the solution should perform. Let's discuss the role and function of requirements engineering. First is requirements elicitation. It is the stage which is concerned with drawing out requirements from the stakeholders. Next is requirements analysis. In order to remove error, this stage is concerned for reviewing and analysis to remove these errors. Then comes requirements validation. This stage is concerned with reviewing requirements in order to assure that they are defined at the required level of quality. Next is requirements documentation. It is concerned with producing narrative and diagrammatic definitions of the requirements. Last is requirements management. This stage is concerned with managing changes to the defined requirements and ensuring the desired level of traceability is achieved. Now we will discuss the types of requirements. Let's break them down into 4 categories. First is general. General requirements define business policies, standards, and compliance areas. It can be further subdivided as business constraints. Business constraints are the requirements that cover the budget and time. Then comes business policy. These requirements define how work is conducted and the business rules upon which decisions are made. Next is business continuity. Business continuity are the requirements concerned with the ability of an organization to recover from incidents that may hinder its continued operation. Other types of general requirements are legal, branding, culture, and language. Next type is technical requirement. Technical requirements define the technical policies and constraints to be adopted across the organization and apply to all change projects. They can be further subdivided into hardware, which cover aspects such as the selected equipment models to be used in the organization. Then comes software. Software requirements cover areas such as operating systems, software applications, networking, and communications software. Other types of technical requirements are interface and internet. Other types are robustness, availability, and usability. Moving on to functional requirements. The functional requirements set out the features that a solution should provide. Functional requirements can be further subdivided into data entry, data maintenance, and procedural, etc. Last category is of non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements are concerned with the level of performance offered by the solution in certain areas. They consist of performance requirements, which are concerned with the speed with which a transaction should be processed. Then comes security and access, which identifies the level at which the organization's data should be kept safe. Next is backup and recovery. These requirements define the policy and guidance for protecting against the loss of data and information and are linked to the security requirements. Lastly, we will look at hierarchy of requirements. You will see that the hierarchy of requirements can be divided into general requirements and technical requirements. The general requirements set out the overarching vision for any system or business change solution deployed within the organization, whereas the technical requirements define the infrastructure architecture within which the solution must operate. I hope you find the video informative. See you in the next video with some insights on documenting and modeling requirements.